Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2006 Ford F150 and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up or maybe there is no sound coming from the speakers. This video will apply to Ford F150s made from 2004 all the way up to 2008. Okay, so the main fuse box is located just down here next to the passenger right leg, just behind these covers. To access the fuse box, all you have to do, you have to pull onto this cover and remove it, and all the fuses will be behind this second black cover. To remove this cover, you want to use your flat screwdriver and just pry it inside here and leave the cover up, as easy as that. And now a good thing, on top of the cover you'll have a nice fuse diagram which can also help you out and point to specific fuses I will mention. Okay, so there is actually a couple of radio fuses to check. They kind of depend on the trim level of your Ford F-150. So if you have like XL or STX, you'll have just a couple of fuses. But if you have a LARIAT, which has entertainment system, DVD in the back, stuff like that, then you'll have a bit more fuses. But in this video, I will show you all the fuses responsible for radio issues. This is a LARIAT truck, so this applies to LARIAT but also to lower trims, but you'll just have blank spots in the places for DVD and similar. Okay, the first fuse you will check, it's a 10 amp red fuse. It's a fuse number 1, which is actually run an accessory fuse, but it's also fuse responsible for audio to XL, XLT and STX trims, and this is the fuse right here on top. So I will zoom out a bit. So right this one. Okay, the second fuse you will check, it's also a red 10 amp fuse. It's a fuse number 4. It's located right here. Okay, let me point it. And this is the fuse responsible for a DVD player, and this applies to LARIAT trim. Okay, third fuse to check is also 10 amp fuse, fuse number 22, and it's located right here on top on the opposite side. So this is the one you want to pull out and check it. Okay, the next fuse to check is fuse number 31. It's the main radio power fuse. It's a 20 amp fuse and it's located right down here. So this is the main fuse you want to check. And the last fuse to check is subwoofer fuse. Now this is again, if your F-150 is equipped with a subwoofer, then you will check fuse number 38, and that's a 25 amp fuse located here. So these are the fuses you want to check in case you are having radio issues. If there is no power to the radio, no sound coming from the speakers, your DVD is not working and similar issues. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.